Can you spot the central ideas evolving? The city was busy with activity. People hurried through the crowded streets, and the sounds of honking horns filled the air. Well, the central idea here is the noisy atmosphere in the city. Take a look at the students' work. They've crafted an amazing objective summary that captures the main ideas of the text. It's like a tower that stands tall, representing the essence of our reading journey. Just like the blocks in a tower, they've built a summary that rises above, showcasing the author's message and the progression of the text. So there you have it. With the skill of finding central ideas, you're ready to conquer the world of texts. Remember, spotting central ideas and analyzing their growth helps you understand the heart of the story. Just like the blocks in a tower, they've built a summary that rises above, showcasing the author's message and the progression of the text. What is a summary of a text? Well, a summary of a text is a concise and brief overview of the main points, ideas, and events in the text. It captures the essential elements without going into too much detail. Think of it as a condensed version that gives readers a quick understanding of what the text is about. Now, what is a central idea in a text? Well, a central idea in a text is the main point or key concept that the author wants to convey. It's the main topic or the focus of the text that everything else revolves around. So identifying the central idea helps us understand the main purpose and message of the text. So how does a summary relate to the central idea of a text? Well, a summary is closely connected to the central ideas of a text because a summary captures the most important central ideas and key details, and then it distills it into a shorter version. And in other words, a good summary highlights the main points and central ideas while leaving out the less important information.